Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jana Short, and today I'm going to teach you the 3 easy tips on converting on your funnel or your nurturing system that you have using my system called Give, Give, Ask. You are going to love this. It's going to start turning those give, give, ask into money, 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 which I don't mean to sound greedy, but come on, we got to pay the bills and keep doing what we're doing. So stay tuned. Be sure you listen all the way to the end because I have something amazing for you at the end. Give me a few minutes and we'll get started. Hi, welcome back. I'm going to talk to you about a nurturing system and why it's so important. You do not own your YouTube channel. You do not own your Instagram, your Facebook, your TikTok, your Snapchat. You don't own any of those. And at any time you can get hacked, you can be shut down or suspended. What happens to all the work that you put in? What happens to all those people that you spent all that time and money collecting? Poof, goodbye, possibly goodbye forever. So what I want you to do is set up an email system. First thing, if you haven't already done that, with a really incredible CRM system that will create nurturing systems for you. Because who owns your email list? You do. And if something like that happened to you, what do you do next? You just send out an email. Hey, something happened to my Instagram account. I got hacked. Here, you can find me here. Join me there. You can keep in touch with them and keep moving them along because you own that. No one can take it away from you. One of the other things I want to talk to you about, by the way, before I go any further, let me tell you what I do with my email system. I created an email system from 800 people 2 years ago to over 500,000 people today. I'm going to show you how. So lead generations are super important. So make sure you have a great lead generation. Once you have that lead generation put in place, and I have a video on how to make quizzes that go viral, and you can go check that out. But once you create your lead generation, you want to make sure that you have a nurturing system or a funneling system behind that. And that funneling system is going to have a minimum of 3 emails. And I think 3 emails is, by the way, a really good number without spamming them and driving them insane. That first email should say something like, thank you for opting in for my quiz, whatever the lead generation was. Thank you for opting in. I hope you're writing this down. I usually pop in graphics and I will at the end to show you one that we've created, but it should say, thank you. It could have a video. Wouldn't it be better if a video of you popped up and said, hey, thank you for opting in for my quiz. I'm so excited you're here and being part of our community now. And as a thank you for you, I want to give you a free gift. Just click the link below and join my Instagram channel, join my YouTube channel. And that is a give, that is not an ask. So give them some great information. Or if you have a great video you've created on YouTube, Instagram, wherever that video lives, that's educational for them and fits with that lead generation, give them that. I wanted to give you this beautiful gift of me teaching how to create quizzes. I'm going to pop one in here so you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. And so have them keep clicking all your stuff, learning how amazing you are, getting excited to work with you, looking forward to your next email video. The second email is another give, right? So we've done give. It could be a video. It could be a give of them joining your YouTube channel, whatever you want it to be. We want to do a second give. And the second give could look something as simple as another video teaching them another thing I thought you might want to learn. And you give them another video. You can invite them into a newsletter if you're doing a monthly newsletter. You can invite them again to another social media thing that maybe you're going to go live on once a month. I'm going to go live on TikTok on Tuesdays at 3, and I'd love to invite you. Give. That's a give. The third email is when the ask comes in, right? Whatever you are doing that's creating or generating income for you is your ask. If you're a brand ambassador and you have a product you want to pop that product in. And your ask is, oh my gosh, you guys are amazing. I just love you guys. I want to give you 10% off of, that's your ask. Buy this today and you're going to get 10% off. Buy this today and you get whatever it is you get. So it's give, give, ask. Here's the reason psychologically why that works, especially if you have a big ask number. I have a big ask number. And when I ask, like it's thousands of dollars to work with me. And when I ask for that, if I'm asking for that cold, they don't know me. They're going to shut me down, unfollow, and be done with me. I need to take the time on the front end to let them get to know me. Know I show up. I greet them, I'm there for them, that I follow through with whatever I say. I always over deliver. So even if I over delivered something and I gave a give, I might have a little thing in the bottom. Here's a little extra for you. I want them to know that they matter to me. And every time they see me talking about what I do and get to know me a little bit better, that they feel more confident in the way that I'm going to work with them and show up with them. So give, ask. The two gives, we're building trust and rapport and giving them an opportunity to come visit us a couple times, get to know who we are. We're showing up as we are, very authentically, and they can trust us. So when you're creating your nurturing system, I'm going to share my screen and show you a little bit about I'm going to show you Dr. D's. So Dr. D is one of my clients, but she is also my daughter. She's a doctor of natural medicine, and she's, for instance, is giving away a summit that she's doing. So here's our first promo video. It's a give, asking them to register for free once they come through her funneling system. And then the next one is another give into the same system, right? And now she has her ask. She's selling her program at the end. So give, ask. It's super important that these are in order the same way. Give. Don't have an ask up here because you're super excited. Give them an opportunity. Now, I will tell you, Dr. D will be popping in videos before she makes this live and finishes it, because how would it look to you if I had, let me find a great graphic. How would it look to you if I had a beautiful graphic for you? Sales graphic. Let's see. Gosh, I could probably hit Instagram and pull up a ton of them. And they don't work. And I have clients all the time. Nobody's opting in for my program. No, but here's one. Well, that's a podcast. Let me find one real quick. Here's one. By the way, this is a client, so I'm not going to use hers. But anyways, when they start opting in, I'm going to show you the difference of adding a video and not adding a video, and how you are going to really get them to say, hell yeah, I'm in. I'm going to use Mark Anthony's. Okay, so let's share the screen again, and I'll show you a quick video, or one that doesn't have a video, and let's just see which you would opt in for. I hands down, you're going to opt in for the one that I am telling you works. So here's another client I work with, Mark Anthony. He's a psychic medium, and he wrote this best-selling book. I believe it's on New York Times bestsellers as well, The Afterlife Frequency. And he's all over the place. But I see this beautiful thing. And if I do not know who Mark Anthony is, which is his hopes, he's reaching out to people that don't already know how amazing he is, I'm not going to click on buying this ticket. He's wanting you to join him, and his tickets are $40. By the way, for Mark Anthony, $40 is a steal. He is a famous psychic medium, and people line up to get into his thing. So I know him, and I know this. So all the people who know him are going to opt in for this. But is he going to extend his reach to the outside world that don't know him yet or know how amazing he is? But what if he had a video there instead? And his video was him with maybe a flash by of his book, some other graphic pops up, and he says, hi, I'm for me, hi, I'm Jana Short, and I wanted to invite you personally into my summit that I'm having, right? Tickets are only $40. I don't know if you guys, those of you who don't know me, know that that is a steal, because we usually charge $500 a ticket. But right now it's $40 for you all to come in. But I want to personally invite you. And when you get there, I cannot wait to meet you. We're going to do cold readings. We're going to do this. We're going to do that. I cannot wait to see you in there, and invite them that way. Those convert. Videos are watched 95% more than they're reading the graphic that you're designing, and those work, and those will draw into your ask. Those will convert like crazy. So on your ask page, be sure it's a video of you personally asking, hi, you've been with me for a little while now. You've gotten my quiz, you've gotten this, but now I want to give you something else, an opportunity to work with me. And I'm going to also give you 25% off, 10% off, whatever that looks like to you. And you invite them in personally, and then tell them, I cannot wait to meet you on the other side. It is going to be so much fun. Those convert. Everyone needs a funneling system. I am telling you, I have lost my Instagram account, had to rebuild. So now I'm back up to like 56,000, but it took time. I have been shut down on Facebook by accident because someone hacked me, and I had to rebuild on multiple things. And it was always super easy because I knew the power of having those nurturing systems, collecting those emails, and taking the time to get to know my potential clients, followers, subscribers, whatever that is for you. So create your nurturing system. I'm going to put a link into Active Campaign if that's one you'd like to look at. The one reason I recommend Active Campaign is it has everything, but it's because of their customer service. I literally click a button and say, I need some help. And someone comes on with me and works with me for 15 minutes, right, to work me through it. I don't have to wait for days to hear back from them. I try not to do that very often because I want to respect their time, but every once in a while I'm in a mess that I have to ask, but I love their customer service. And so for me, they were way worth using them. So those are some 3 tips for the give, ask for you to build an incredible nurturing system or funnel system that converts. I told you I had a free gift for you. So first of all, thank you for getting all the way to the end. Yay for you. I talk really fast so I can get a lot of information in there for you. But my ask for you is I have a magazine, Best Holistic Life. It is phenomenal, has over 500,000 subscribers. This is our April issue, so it's out. And what I would ask you to do is just go to bestholisticlife.com, click the link and it'll say free subscription, and you can get your free subscription to this magazine. We would love to give it to you. It's filled with incredible stuff, writers, recipes. It's like so much free gifts in there. So go get your free gift. And thank you so much. Again, I'm Jana Short, award-winning mindset coach and the editor of Best Holistic Life magazine and podcast host. Thank you. I can't wait to see you. Go out there and create a beautiful funnel system and send one to me so I can see what it looks like. Give me comments of any questions or things that you run into that you need help with. Thank you.